Have you ever thought about surveying your customers? Well, artificial intelligence, AI, your Chatgpt, your Perplexity, any of those will be able to help you to create a survey. So let me show you where I got this idea from. I recently got this request for a quote from the city of College Park, and they were looking for somebody to do a survey. They want to understand more about their customer relationship, whether their customers are satisfied or not, and they sent out this request for a quote. It got me to thinking, if they are going to survey and try to find out what their customers need, what about you? You are able to do the same thing. Now, in case you're new here, I am Michelle with Mind Your Business Incorporated in the Atlanta, Georgia area, and I really want you to travel more, work less, and increase your income. And one of the ways to do all of this is with AI. So now, why would you want to survey your customers? Because if you know their satisfaction or dissatisfaction, you are able to tailor your program, your services, or whatever it is that they're not satisfied with. You're able to fix that. So let me show you something easy to do. So you are going to do as it says here, as they asked for in here, they ask for gather and analyze experience management data to derive meaningful insights. And that's what you're going to do. But the difference is you're going to do it with 3 questions. 3 questions are going to help you to understand what is going on with your customer base. To get started, I am going to go to the temporary chat. And the reason why I'm going to the temporary chat is because I don't want it to keep this information. So this is the prompt that I've created. Act as a business analyst. You want to enhance customer satisfaction and business performance. Create a survey that looks, let me put S here, at customer experience and sentiments. Make the survey only 3 questions. The 3-question survey is number 1. On a scale of 1 to 10, how satisfied are you with your overall experience with our product or service? This quantifies overall satisfaction. This is going to let you know if they're satisfied or if they're not. Why do you want this? Because this is an indicator to whether you're going to lose them as a client or not. If they are extremely dissatisfied, you're going to have to do something to win them over. Number 2, what is the most positive aspect of your experience with us? This identifies your strengths. And what this does is if they tell you what the positive things are, you are able to see, okay, this is working, let's do more of this, or let's see if we can do something similar. Number 3, how could we improve to make your experience better in the future? Now, I promise you this one hurts. When they start giving you feedback, you cannot take it personally. The feedback is there to help you. It is to help you make the improvements that need to be made so that you not only keep this person as a customer, but you're able to get more. This should help you get started and to be able to see where you are and what you can do better. The shorter the survey, the more likely people are to answer your questions. So as you know, God bless you, God keep you is my prayer. If you need help with AI, reach out. I'll be glad to help you if I can.